If there is one single element of home maintenance you cannot afford to neglect, it's your gutters. Our gorgeous trees with their pollen, needles, and leaves combined with our famous Northwest rain keep your gutter system busy year-round. If not cleaned regularly, a failed gutter system can cause serious damage to your roof, eaves, interior walls, and foundation. DAPrDAN makes gutter cleaning hassle-free by providing recurring maintenance level cleanings as a solution before problems arise, removing known blockages and backups, force flushing the entire system, installing downspout filters as a preventative solution, removing most failed gutter cover systems, and by establishing a recurring service schedule so you truly never have to think about cleaning your gutters ever again. After more than 2 decades of experience, our friendly and capable technicians are ready to tackle your toughest gutter cleaning project. Get your free quote today and transform your home exterior with DAPrDAN.